If you're in Fort William, this is a must. Hop on the UK's only mountain gondola lift, climbing 650 metres up Owneck Moor, right next to Ben Nevis. The views? Unreal. You get sweeping vistas of the Nevis Range, forests, lochs, and if you're lucky, even a peak of the Highlands stretching forever. At the top, you've got hiking trails, photo ops, and a cafe with views that make your coffee taste better. If you're a mountain biker, this is where the Downhill World Cup happens. Yes, it's that. Steep. A quick ride, but one you'll never forget. Fort William, you're showing off now.